tapos hindi ka hawak cellphone. Bakit? Kasi wala ka cellphone. Okay. Ngayon, ito yung cellphone, yung bili ko sa'yo. Kasi, ito, bigay ko sa'yo lahat yun. Happy New Year mga tao! Good morning mga tao! I hope you all having a wonderful day and wonderful time ahead of you. Happy New Year mga tao from me, and I wish you all the best. I wish this year, this upcoming year will be the year of no problems, the year of no masakit sa ulo, the year of no carbonara, the year that all of us will be happy, and the year that we will achieve all our goals and our dreams will come true. Mga tao, I am so optimistic about the upcoming year that it's gonna be a good year for all of us. And God is with us and we can do this. So mga tao, for today, I'm thinking to surprise one of my construction workers. It's actually my foreman. It's New Year's Eve. He decided to stay in my house to watch over my house. I'll be surprising him a brand new cell phone because he never had cell phone in his life. That's what they told me, and that's what he told me before when I asked for his number. This is gonna be emotional and it's gonna be inspirational at the same time. So mga tao, thank you very much for your love and your support. We're gonna continue to extend our help to more Filipinos, more hardworking Filipinos, all vendors, construction workers, students, everybody that deserves our help. So, let's go mga tao, and let's surprise Tatay Foreman. Just few hours before the New Year's Eve, I'll make time to visit my construction workers and my foreman who's staying in my house today, just to watch over my house and to protect my house. Kasi there's ongoing construction in there and we don't have doors yet, so he wanted to make sure that everything in there will be safe, to surprise him in my house, in my dream house, a brand new phone and a number, so that people can contact him. And aside from that, I'll also be surprising them with food for New Year, so that all my construction workers in there who stayed there and the foreman will have pulutan for today. I was gonna buy them pancit for today, but mahabang pila. Kasi pagkain mo pancit bihon habang buhay. Pag habang pila, abutin ka habang buhay. This is his brand new phone mga tao. I am planning to surprise him long time ago, but I just didn't find the right time to do it. So the date today is Thursday, December 31, 4:45 p.m. and this is his brand new phone. I already installed the apps for him. Viber, YouTube, Messenger, Facebook. Biki naman. He never had a phone in his life. That's what he told me. And today, because it's New Year's Eve, we have to make him happy. And I'll be making his day today, and it will be a special New Year, even though hindi siya kasama yung pamilya niya, kasama yung cellphone, kasama yung phone niya, and kasama yung family niya. We are his family, so walang problema pag hindi siya kasama sa pamilya niya. At least, he has a very good surprise for today. So I will also be giving him some cash assistance. Actually guys, I'm not the one who's paying him directly because I have a contractor. So I pay my contractor. But this is a help from me to my foreman who's watching over my house during New Year's Eve. So what I'm gonna do mga tao, I'll pretend that I'll be vlogging house tour update. Imagine, house tour update on New Year's Eve. It never happens. Because lagi yung tao busy sa New Year's Eve, pero I'll just be pretending that I'm vlogging just a house tour update or just a house update vlog for him not to notice that I'll be pranking him and surprising him. So mga tao, we just arrived here at the house, and as you see, I don't hear anyone. So I guess there is nobody inside. We're gonna go inside and we're gonna try to find out what I'll be doing here. You know the drill mga tao, right? But I'll just be pretending that I'm just doing a house update vlog. Laundry, boxers, shorts, you know, everything you'll find it in here mga tao. So I know my house is taking long. That's why I cannot welcome you to my house yet. But I'll welcome you. Come mga tao, come. Ah, it's locked. So we have to take the other way. Here, follow me. Mga tao. Mga tao. Ah, meron tao pala. Akala ko wala. Hi, June, you're back here. Ano nangyari sa buhok mo? Ano nangyari sa buhok mo? Akala ko wala tao dito kasi yung pinto, lock. So mga tao, as you see, this is my outdoor area in here. As I told you today, we are making house tour update. See? House tour update vlog. So this is my stair. It's not yet complete. Wala tayo handle. Ang liit yung handle mga tao kasi wala tayo budget. So ito lang yung handle. Joke lang. Hindi tapos. We're gonna go upstairs. I'll show you also what we are doing upstairs. You see, it's not yet finished. This is the scaffolding. Hey buddy, what happened to your buhok? Ano nangyari? Pareho yung ano mo ha? Bakit pareho? Tignan nyo ha? Pareho tayo. Ako kulay blue, siya white. Hi, kamusta? Ayos? Tulog?
Oo.
Ah, tulog? Ano oras tulog?
Ano po, ayusin na namin, hindi ko may tao.
Kahapon, wala na tulog?
Kahapon din, gumawa ko kahapon.
Ah, you're working kahapon. Today? Hindi.
Wala ko ngayon.
Hindi kayo uwi
Hindi po eh.
sa ba?
Nakakalokan po. Malayo yung kalokan.
Malayo? Ilan oras pag commute?
Apat na sakay po ngayon kasi may pandemya eh.
Oh.
Palipat-lipat.
This is my small balcony in here. You see? Accent wall. This is the accent wall, kulay blue. This is the natural stone. Oh, started now, new year. It might look awkward, the color, but when it's finished, it's gonna look so nice because I'll put a lot of plants in here. This is my laundry area, guys, you see? Laundry area. So this one here, I'll change it to glass, mga tao. This is my halaman in here, you see? Halaman area. So I have different kinds of halaman in here. Very, very nice. I love plants. Plants, mga tao, reminds you of life. That's why I love plants, you see? That's why I have a lot of plants in here. Very, very nice. So now, mga tao, let's start the prank. Let's prank it. So this is the glass in here. We didn't install it yet. You see? Still, naka-box siya. Still in the box, in the plastic. Look at this. Grabe, lungkot yung music. Back New Year's Eve today. Bakit lungkot? Ah, sa labas? Siguro lungkot yung tao sa labas. Hindi tayo kasama. You see the kitchen, mga tao in here? That's the kitchen. Hindi kasama yung toilet bowl. It's not yet finished. And this is not the final color yet. It's gonna be dark, mga tao. Saan yung forma? Gusto ko kausap. O yan, kausap tayo. Dalawa na. Kausap na lang. Mamaya, after 10 minutes, tawag ulit. Kasi gusto ko sana sabi may problema na. Problema. Pero gusto ko kausap sa'yo bago ako kausap kay engineer. Kasi sabi ko sa mga tao ko, may I'm talking to my tao dito. They are watching me now. May malaki problema. Sabi ko kanina sa mga tao. So, yung malaki problema mga tao, ngayon, I'm gonna share it to my foreman para at least alam niya ano nangyari. So, diba, start tayo renovation dito. Kailan tayo start? August. And ngayon, ano ngayon? December. December 31. So we started August renovating the house. And now today is December 31. Sa una, konti lang yung gawin. Ibig sabihin, gusto ko ito dagdag, saka ito yung pera. Tapos, after that, marami tayo gagawin, di ba? Marami additional. Gusto ko kanina sana meet ni engineer para sabi ko, hindi pwede tayo tuloy. Siguro, stop muna. Pero bago ako kausap kay engineer, sabi ko sa isip ko, I'll talk to the foreman, tapos the foreman will talk to the engineer. So, ito yung sabi ko sa mga tao, para kasi yung mga tao lagi sabi, bakit hindi ka move sa bagong bahay? Para alam niyo lahat mga tao, hindi ko kaya stop ako na yun kasi hindi ko dapat January New Year nandito na ako, dapat January, pero sayang. So hindi ka uwi today kahit New Year.
Yun. Kailangan bigas na magbantay dito sa gamit.
Baka mawala gamit. Pag may baliw, mapunta sa loob. Sayang. Kasi sa isip ko, kaya natin yan. Ano sabi mo sa engineer?
Hindi ko pinahasap mo na. Kaya dinabit mo ang quotation na 31.
Hindi yung quotation 31, yung problema yung pera ko. Yung pera ko, ubos. Dito yung dito sa master's toilet, dito sa studio. Sige, buksan. Ito kasi Christmas sale, they have. Akala ko, fixtures pang sira yan.
Ay, tama yung
Ha?
Ay, tama yung
Mali yung bigay. Lagay Merry Christmas. Pero New Year's Eve today, hindi Christmas. Okay. Sabi mo sa akin, hindi ka marunong mag-cellphone. Last time sabi mo sa akin, hindi ka marunong mag-cellphone. Tapos hindi ka hawak cellphone. Bakit?
maling cellphone. Yan tayo.
Kasi wala sa cellphone. Okay. Ngayon, ito yung cellphone, yung bili ko sa'yo. Kasi, bigay ko sa'yo. Kasi, sobra mait ka, tapos sobra hardworking ka dito sa bahay. Meron siya number, so pwede ka, tawag. Okay? Para pwede ka tawag yung pamilya mo. Hindi ito fixtures. Okay? Merry Christmas, it's not Christmas. Happy New Year! Yung button ito, on. Sige, pwede ka dito swipe. Siguro gano'n. Okay. So, ito may Facebook, Messenger, YouTube. Tapos, pwede ka, you can check, you can call your family. You can use Facebook, Messenger, lahat na lahat. Pwede ka gamit.
Salamat po rin.
Okay? So, black fixtures yan. Sobra bait si Kuya. Sobra bait si Kuya, guys. And he's really hardworking here sa house natin. But he's also mahiyain si Kuya. Lagi yan. So, ito, gift ko sa'yo. So, pwede ka mamaya naunod na
Gano'n ka?
Ilan taon ka na? 47? Still young. Marami pa, siguro isang pa dagdag 47 ulit. Kalahati. Okay.
Kaya exercise yan kasi trabaho eh. Parang,
So, para hindi, lagi ka kailangan, ganon, para hindi ka tanda. So, saan yung Red Horse sa isip ko? Kasi today, New Year. Wala kayo Red Horse? Bakit? Siguro, kailangan tayo bili Red Horse. So, sa isip ko, ito, bigay ko sa'yo, lahat yun. Or handa sa pamilya mo, dalhin mo sa pamilya mo, or it's up to you. Para yung gusto ko today, so yung gusto ko today, masaya ka sa pamilya. Okay? So, masaya ka na today. Ito sa'yo. Okay, ito lahat sa'yo. Tapos, yung kanina sabi ko, may gold fixtures. Pagkain yan, hindi fixtures. So, sabi ko pagkain para pwede kayo kain dito. Alam ko, tatlo kayo. Chicken, kanin, spaghetti, I think. Okay? Para pwede kayo kain mamaya. Hindi na sponsored ito, Jollibee. Biki naman. So, today, I decided to come here and surprise you sa New Year's Eve. Masaya na? He doesn't use cell phone. So, paano tawag yung pamilya mo?
Hindi, tawag na po sa mga kasama.
Sa kasama.
Sige yung contact yung nila sa kasama ko.
Pag hindi siya kasama, hindi pwede contact. Ngayon, pwede. Meron number na. May number. Pero hindi ko alam yung number mo. Pwede sabi mo kay June, tawag. Tapos yung number mo, nakita sa kanya. Sabi ko kanina, hindi tayo tuloy. Baka sa isip mo sa isip mo totoo, ha?
Naglabot ako siya.
So tuloy tayo. Joke lang yan. Sabi ko, upos yung pera ko. Joke lang yan. Walang problema. So, tuloy tayo. Happy New Year. Sige, tawag mo yung iba. See? Oh, this is our photo. Here! Okay. So, sige, tawagan mo. I think he got quite shocked, guys, and he's confused because he doesn't understand me kanina. I said we're gonna stop the renovation, so siguro he believed. Okay? Red Horse yan. Yung pulutan dito. Okay? Sorry si pulutan. Okay. Happy New Year. Sige. Happy New Year. Go. Happy New Year. Good job. You just woke up? You just woke up now? Okay na. Ito, chicken. Meron dito. Dong, napalid mo? Ha?
Matay kung dito ng dulong ng 20 parang may picture natin dito.
So, I have my also other construction worker who works here. His daughter died. They just told me now she died. So I'll be giving his brother some money to give it to him also. Sige, kain tayo. Happy New Year mga tao. Okay na yan or kulang? Pero marami chicken pa. Pwede luto kanin. Sige. Okay mga tao, so this is how we celebrated the New Year here. See, gano. Happy New Year mga tao. I just came from work now, guys. I'm going home. I don't know what's that thing, guys, antibody that we have in here. I don't know what's that thing, antibodies that Filipinos have in here, that no one is scared of carbonara. No one is scared of carbonara. They are dancing budot and they are all out on the street. Filipinos have antibodies, guys. They will never be scared of carbonara. Oh, picture. Sobra pagod ako. All I will do now is to go home, have a shower, and then just fall asleep, waiting for 2022 mga tao.